Yo guys, kamusta? Ayan na yung ano natin, oh. Bali, pinalitan natin ng plastic yan. Dinisay na natin, oh. Ayan, mukha ng kalabaw. Yo, may tropa tayo doon. Ayan, oh. Tetest line na natin yan. Ayan, mga tropa pits natin, oh. Inaantay lang natin yung bata, kumukuha ng sako. Nasira yung somba. Di kinaya, naputol. Update ko kayo guys, pagpapalipa rin na. Waitings lang kami sa kasama namin eh.
A few moments later.
Kalipad, ito na yung i-adjust po natin. Yan na yung Chicago Bulls.
Ain't like no one you met before. I'm running for the front when they're all running for the door. And I won't sit down, won't back out. You can't ever shut me up, cause I'm on a mission and I won't quit now. In a world full of followers, I'll be a leader. In a world full of doubters, I'll be a believer. I'm stepping out without a hesitation.
Guys, ito po guys, nataas na po yung Chicago Bulls.
I'm sold out. I'm no longer living just for myself. Running after Jesus with my whole heart. And now I'm ready to show I am sold out. I'm sold out with every single step that I take now. With every drop of blood left in my veins, I'm gonna be making it count. I am sold out. This ain't just some temporary phase. You can't face this kind of grace and leave the way you came. This is permanent with intent, and there won't be no stopping it now. I'm on
Guys, ito po guys, papunta na kami dyan guys. Guys, ito na po yung lipad.
Yo, what's up guys? Ayan na yung saranggola natin. Mga bata. Yan oh guys, tayog na. Chicago. Ayun, sa tropa natin doon. Tara dito tayo. Sup? Dito kami sa paliparan namin. Larga. Ikaw magano, larga dito, lawat ka. Ayan guys, so, lipat na. Ang likot na no. Guys, taas na din oh. Eh, yung may-ari oh. Nagwa-walkout. Ayun yung saranggola niya guys. Taas, Philippines. Ayan mga taga-control natin oh. Mga veterans yan oh. Pinakamalakas magagi sa balat ng lupa. Akla pala. Main nyo na yan oh. Supot pa. Joke lang. Ano masasabi mo sa saranggola natin? Maganit ba? Yung guys, ang uwi niya. Wala, malayo saranggola ko. Malayo. Wala, hindi didikit yan. Huwag niyong pangutin. Larga nyo.
Like no one you met before. I'm running for the front when they're all running for the door. And I won't sit down, won't back out. You can't ever shut me up, cause I'm on a mission and I won't quit now. In a world full of followers, I'll be a leader. In a world full of doubters, I'll be a believer. I'm stepping out without a hesitation.
Yo guys, ayun yung mga saranggolista natin no. Yung isa battery, binutol nito. Ito, sala rin. Pogi oh, shoutout nga Pogi. Ih! Pogi oh. Ayun yung Pogi oh. Ih! Nasaan yung sa'yo? Ang taas! Skyway! Nananatili pa rin sa area akin.
Yung kanya lagi oh.
Siyempre, vlog ko to eh. Halangan maging sayo. Shoutout po kay Ate Tina, nagbebenta po na ice candy sa bukid. Yan o, binibenta tayo, wala tayong dalang pera. at nananatiling matayog ang saranggola ni Tonyo.
Patay ka pag nasabitan ko ya, Toto.
Yo guys, hanggang dito na lang muna tayo. Maraming salamat. At huwag kayong magsawang sumuporta sa akin. Thank you, bye-bye.